Hello everyone, I wanna talk about this piece that I made. This is an incense burner. It's a backflow incense burner, and if you make it, I wanna show this part. I filled this part with cement, and then I made this, which is basically I put two washers together, and then I added a mesh in between, and I glue everything with 2 parts epoxy that it's supposed to be heat resistant. So let's give it a go. I grab my incense. So this is pretty much the setup. You just grab your incense, lay it here, and let's see how this works. There. So there it's doing the thing. So apparently it takes a while for the capsule to just but yeah, it's filling up the piece. So there you have it, guys. Dragon Incense Burner.